And you may baby I will be a chiachiao. I believe said baby I will be a hoye. Yanko point I don't and ne yawada or the achemino minu. Katemada bodwe muja redi mu afrisane. Yika yebeka say rade da wase. Anti baby I will be a onya live telecast ya na wabo modern na wa share e di amami. Anwumre so Oko Rhyme TV ya di video ato ho video kama just short video bi ya di ato ho no enti ya na unya ho ano akwa wo Rhyme TV no akohwe na aye kama emu bi akwa aba ya ba ne de ne aba so atase ibisua nyame asem enti unya no ahye de amame na ya di nkomo oi na men kamu nyina mo ho Dr. Odro ko apomye mi wie live video na meye voice note di amount. Okay. Ebeneza ohini tachi na adwoa obiri yebo a na afisi so Joseph Jima sofo apomye enkran force say kra be Elizabeth Odro. Hey, mommy, no. She says, you look good. Thank you very much for the compliment. As a matter of fact, this one too doesn't belong to me. Somebody give it to me. Kwadwo Apia Asante, champion. Salute you. Bibi aboko there. It shall be well. Ivy, it's your baby, I will be. Mechiamu nyina bacho. and reading komo and can remember, but me papa lawyer ni bi me ferry ne pa we di machi ache almost be 4 years, you know. I say, prophet, my monitor was 4 years ni BBI is different, and he is really interested in my teachings. And then he actually threw some questions to me for me to answer. I know, say definitely, Papa lawyer lie so utie cool lie. Mechiawo yeah, it sounds good. Oh yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Well, sounds good. Whatever that it is, the only thing that you can do is to give praise and honor to his name. As far as we are alive and we are not yet dead, we believe God for a miracle. I don't even believe, I know. And I know and expecting him for that. Chiamo. Okay. I say, a question be a bit me the abansana. Me papa lawyer he question my answer the amano. Okay. Yes, what question we are bit me the about? Okay, it's very important. We can bring it. Me try and I only question be I'm signing off na me nkwana. Okay. Since say we be am for question we am na yeni kan eni nkomo. Let me say one of my videos I made mention of some kind of food that is very important and very healthy for humans to eat. But I actually cited that as a topic, but I didn't really go delve deeply into it. And then another time too, I think 3 days ago, I also made mention of the kind of food stuff that you can eat so that spiritually and physically you can be very strong and healthy. So I had the privilege to receive a question from one legal luminary who happens to be a follower of the Gracia. And he actually popped a question today by saying that he would be very grateful if, when I come online, I'll throw more light on the kind of meat and food stuff to which, when you do eat, it will help you spiritually. As a matter of fact, he is a Christian, so he believes in whatever that I say. Elizabeth Andrew is saying, Biabo Cordier. Hey, Eddie. Mentuaso. As an enipa ma online, sir. Well, with them, mentuaso na. Ombebo mumbo we omwasem. To them, mentuaso. But don't forget to share it. Share the link and alert people that I'm live. What I say? Okay, are they also what you seeing? Who say enipa yewo asasi we so no. Abrofo ene abibifuo. Yena yeye abibifuo a yekura ye honam tuntum we no. Yene abrofo enyepe. Nti onyankopon nimdie mu no. Ocheche ye mu pepepe. Edi eniyama a onipa ebehia ema nipa. Na abra onipa eya asode no. Na onyankopon honhom so efri onipa so. Enti onyankopon ye nyansafo eye nimdifo enu ntina enipa ewo asase we nyina so no. Enye ye nyina na ewo the same blood group. Na obia won the blood group different. But ye won nioma bi wo ho a nyankopon edema nipa irrespective of the blood group womb. It plays or it's actually cut across blood group bi a womb bia na obetimi edi. So what I say? Enunti me mamu eniema mako aduane a wose mudi se opese okra ye den tieni opese okra ye den na ohunhum a eti mu ye den opese onipadua no yare emma onipadua nim na the bia will stay very strong. Either say when yini ana say wunyini ya sa eniyoma ya me bekika you know, you have to take very good notice of it. Wow. If we say medin ka kire say abrofo no kwanya nyankopon fa so obo abrofo no say ewrade ebie wani a na onyankopon akire wo niyoma ne niyema oka bo mu a ode bo abrofo a different from kwanya onyankopon fa so a ode bo enipa. What you say? Enti no yen enipa na ye wa asase wi so no ewom se ye nyina moja wo ye mu ye nyina ye nante ye kɔ ye ba nanso so ya setena mu no differences bebree wom. What you say? Yen ye skin ya ekura ye ewo layers bebrebe but abrofo omo we de ne any layers bebree sa eni na bepem ne broni bia nu a watimi aye enku ama abrofo akoto a osra obeye tuntumu da sa natural skin we enye common to get it, but because of say ye brainwashed in intino ye mpe your skin we na abrofo timi ye enku a odi mani pasra ebe pili off ana ableaching the skin no na waba ba ye kokko nanso so tuntum de untimi nye bida adentia because sa tuntum we de we no the original and expensive with dia nyankopon enu bi ne dura ne ho nti sa we de we no enye easy sa. What you say? Enye easy sa say ubenya sa we de we bi. Enti because of say kwanye onyankopon fa so bo nipa no eye soronko ntino fa hye wutirimu say ade bi onyankopon bo yi bia no ye de nyansa nimde ene ye de krakra saade no eno nti onipa nipadua na ewo hodom no eye both physical and spiritual. So de me kan utimase a onipadua na ewo hodom no efa baabi eye sunsun ena efa baabi eye ye kan say honam. Eno nti nipadua we no ewo de ope. So what you say nipadua we no wo de ope. Sanso na onipa ekra etinimu ewo de ope. Onipa honhom a etinimu eno so wo de epe. Eno nti se abrabo na awobo no ene asetena na wotie no se wanya de sunsumu ne pe no amfa amana abrabo na awobo no ensi yie obesori anopa adware akwa aba nanso wo a wo mu no you could realize say I say unye complete because I say bibi ayedey atetichima. What you say enunti ubo se unipadua mu no bibi ayedey atetichima ewo unipadua nim but onyankopon so nim die mu no saa ne yoma na waka bom nyina e dey build the human system no. It is very important. That is why he merged or combined all these things together. They are building a nipa. Ye de nam ewiase. Eno nti no ye oni awa bi wo ha untimi en neglect it. So nti saa na tie. Now ye wo enioma bi wo ha should I say it or what? Okay. Ewo enuane bi ewo ha udia ebi epeja okra ebi ema honhom yeden ebi ensoso ekumu kra ema honhom ye mere ama obi bowdua etimi nyaw obi tu adura etimi nyaw viruses bi ne bacterias bi etimi invade o human system because of aduane bi a wadinti. Enti me no ya na metape twere sem no example enti wo de ma mente so mema wo aduane 4 na ana mema wo 3 mema wo aduane 3 wo ye nipa de bia ta dibi anye bia akra na every week bia dibi ene enamo a once in your life bia ana say bosome na wotwe ana afi bi no bomodin ne dibi na owi bia eboaw ana udi bia eboaw abrabo na ye bo no kodwa pia de also tiase ye ne say ye the secret ene ebo the abrabo na ye bo na the secret na ebo enti na obehu obi no anya 40 years na so oniska obehu obi no 40 years ba only $4,000 only 40,000 pounds nemo obi o ha unya sanfire enso so no wo seska no adentia abrabo no. There is a secret route to everything that you are looking for. Yewo enuane a wudi a ohia entimi ntena wo so da se mo study a tienie mo study a mo a mo hwe me na tie mo a mo hwe me na mo ben eye jiwfo ni bi no so what you say mo a mo ben jiwfo ni bi no jiwfo no enhye da nye adwuma bi asa nanso so omu wo skapa mo a mo hwem ne se mo hunu saade na jiwfo omu hye da nye adwuma bi asa but eno nkire se onipa ba wo sori a wo nye adwuma adwuma ne de obeye nanso uhia sunsumu a umfifire na usori a usamo no obema umfifire no aye nhira na animonyam abam ayesa ubebre wa asase we su saa sika ubenya ne ye hand to mouth adentia if you say abrabo na awbo no woni tumi bia ohwe wachi di ma obi wo ha ne dan ba akopɛ ɛdan no kora be 3 bedrooms 6 bedrooms and I say abroso a 8-10 bedrooms sa ɛdan we a wo sie no ɛkɔ be 2 years 3 years 4 years 5 years ni ontimi kura nsi dan no ɛwɔ mu ano a short sikasɛm hwa yɛ den ɛde ama no ye wo obi wo hodom a plot kura na fe no wagibi obi wo kura a kyese onyanje plot kura the intini saying abrabo no ɛyɛ secret ɛyɛ abrabo no ɛyɛ secret nti sɛ wanya obi obɛkyerɛkyerɛw na wama onsafo bi na ode kura obɛbrɛ no kwasɛm pa na meka kyerɛ no obɛbrɛ what you say nti mu a mo study no mo a mo hwɛ me na mo tu kwan ɛda na matimi ahyiahyia enkrofo a omuni atenatena na omukura ɛyɛ jiwfo no secret what you say ɛyɛ check hwɛ ubehu jiwfo no na omabodwe ɛyɛ mfitamfita ubehu jiw ɛyɛ rabbis ana say rabbi fo no omabodwe yɛ mfitamfita omanyinyini afesuso omu nhyeda enye adwuma bia saa nanso so omu wo sika adentia se eye ewa kura na jiwni eba se ewa koho kura na jiwni eba ni nyansa mu no ohia tumi a obeboa ewa no ano ama no na ewa no abeye enhyira so what I say and the jiwfo no omu mobra just like that so na Jacob tumfuo soso no samua munim se oye Israel ni na ne say ene nkyere eye the present day Israel a muhu ya de bia omone Iran fo omone Hamas fo omone hefo akontokwa akoro enye sa Israel no meka titimremu Israel a na Jacob tumfuo eti Africa na de bia osore a onenam Africa ma enhyira ene yedie etimi tena hanom no sa Jacob tumfuo no na meka enunti ohun se onipa setena mu no obenya tumi because ene woni tumi a obi beku afo ajapade once you are powerless or you are spiritually incapacitated somebody will kill you and take over your property. These days, it is not easy to trust anybody. Even your own family people, you can't trust them. These days, it has become like a competition. Whenever people see you progressing, they are tempted to do all manner of things to you, physically, spiritually, and a whole lot of things. So once you don't have any spiritual backup, be rest assured that the vision, the dreams that you perspire in life, you can never achieve it. There are people who are hiding behind scenes spiritually in your family or wherever that you are, and the sole agenda of these people is to cut you short so that you become a failure in your life. So the Jewish people are a sort of people who don't play with their spiritual life, and you people who have had the opportunity to travel to these Arab countries, the Kurdistan, Uzbekistan, the Iraq, Iran, the Turkey, and those Saudi Arabians and United Arab Emirates. Now, if you have had the opportunity to visit any of these nations, you could see that the people living in these nations are very spiritual, and they don't take their spiritual things for granted. The sheikhs in these Arab countries, they are very, very spiritual. They are very, very, very spiritual. And these sheikhs, they don't just get up and say to themselves that they are hungry, so they have to go and get themselves some food to eat. They are very particular with what they eat. They are very, very particular with what they eat. They didn't just consume anything anyhow. So, in reality, there are some food stuff that is not permitted for humans to eat. You can eat it as a normal person, but once you are a spiritual person, once you want to live with a spirit, an entity, you need to bring your life under a control of that same spirit. Enti nyame kyerɛw enti momo a omatimi atutu kwan akɔ enkramofoɔ aman so sa Turkey ni Saudi Arabia no omunim sɛ abrabɔ ɛyɛ very spiritual. Enti omo no omo yɛ very careful. Enye aduane bia na omu di, enye bibia na omo ma ne ka omo honam. Ye wo perfumes ni ade a omo use a attract long life, longevity, prosperity. So what I say, omo use the ancient days uko Egyptia. Those days uko Egyptia. Na Egypt fo wa aduane ene enam a omo kum edi na omo kra aye din. What I say, uko India fo omo ndi nantwie, because to me na omo somo no nantwie no ye na dinya. Enti India fo bebre Hindus fo no ni nkrofo na omo ho no omo ndi nantwie. So what I say, sanso na akọ Saudi Arabia ne United Arab Emirates na omo wo ade a omo di nantwie ene afunumu ponkoye, omo ye kanche eye amamre di guso. What I say, omo kanche eye amamre di guso na omo anoa enam no na omo de afra emo, na omo ye na omo de fra emo a bo se omo atete na omo ai de edi ubakona shake pa na obu yese ngafra wa cross ne nan sa na wote wona wode ne nsa emmoa emo no. Enti enam no omo anoa ne fu omo timikum odwan fu, ram fu, any turkey ni sa ne ma no omo ye ekenkan karatu no ene ade ni de gusu aye omo ne omo aye omo akwankyera na afi omo de anoa mo na omo te wo no omo di. Se ota hwe internet ne so a enti no eye spiritual ene ma bi wo ha mo nte ase, but sa ne omo na ekoso ni nyina no eye spiritual ene ma ene omo ye no. What ase enti me kira wo enam a se opese tienie enam a opese no me ebetena ofie, opese wunyini che tienie enam a opese wunyini che, opese no me betena ofie, ompese ahohomone ebeba ofie a, opese long life, prosperity, longevity, sa ne omani nyina opese ebi tena ofie. Enam a opese akomayare eni subiri, diabetes. So what you see chiri yare oko hospital you see cholesterol. Well sa nneɛma no nyinaa ɔmpɛ sɛ ebi bɛyi yɛw abrabɔ mu a ɛnam a me bɛ list yi ɛyɛ ataa wibi na mpakyɛ owibi a ohia ɛntena ofie ɛninguaseɛ ɛntena ofie ahokyerɛ ntena ofie onyankopɔn asomdwie ɛtena ofie, especially mu fie nye no obi wo ha ne fie yedie ni ho inhyira bia ni ho ahokyerɛ nko ana wo ne fie nipa bi kura nya $100,000 da ne fie nipa bi nhyɛ da mɔbra obi wo ha owura ne fie a yɛ nhyɛ da ni papa bi a na sɛ nipa bi a sɛbi owo fie ho a yɛsi we de wabɔ bra ana wo kakra da ne botom ni nua no nyinaa ni ska ni sisters nyinaa ni ska sa enome no ni musuo no opese ebi efiri ufie na asundwie eba ufie a enamo a mebebubui epacho aya pebi neri na odifo opatafo soso tie ni yo tie ni opatafo soso on se me pa menka me pa menka what I say me we ya menka sana me lifestyle you we ya menka that is me we ya menka me no me ma wasum ye de right him say akwa we do information pa o secret but I menka oh my goodness. Someone pa me chow pa comment section why no menka da ma po metmedum camera no so unim the way I suba city. I'm giving you people 2 minutes. Kojapia Santos, Papa, we love you either. Our both Hega on where we are. Me handsome prophet. Reverend Tini do one worry. Me the great white head in ye. So I meet you. Me mo asumi all the dead them we anam the achichire kon o ama me fans amen fan ho. Hey my goodness. Hey OPATAFUOR. Okay. Let me give you one. I'm giving you one meat. Today I'll give you one meat. I decided to give you people 3 meat, but I'll give you only one, and then I'll give you only one food. Now, mami chere wadie bi. Abra onyankopon ema Moses se onkofa eye Israel fo no emfiri eye enkoaso mu. Emfiri Misrim no amfa omonko asase foforo so. Na omonko enkosum Awurade wo ho. Enti abra Moses koyi eye Israel fo na efiri Misrim a wode wo monko no. Ekoduru baabi tie ni yi. Na abrabomu ayeden. Na ahokyere ekom na yare basa na ebubo eye Israel fo no. Ema chese I say omabrabo nyina essay. Enti ho na Israel fo no empayinfo no na ema mpayinfo no ehya ase se omo kasakasa na omo ka kire Israel eye Moses say anka oma omotena eye Egyptia na nka mfaso ye dey ewo so ifri say sa Egypto no de no nka omunya aduane eni bibia di nanso so aha omo bae no eye desert ne so no omunya aduane ni na omo kra ene omo honhum nyina akum omo butu nti ahokyere eye dey ewo ho na afei suso no abrabo no emu ayedin ade ama omo enti eba asa omo kasakasa saro na eye Moses enso ahomete ena Moses ko Nyankopon ko ka kire ne se de ko tumfue wadaroma enkrofo na o ma me except me nkoyi wo mfiri Misrim enfo wo nko no wahu se amu doso sabe enye me ba ne wo mo omu ye edom na aduru pempenso a wagya omu nyina abɔ me so na menya aduane mpo emfa mfidi wo mo afesusu ekom na eku wo mo yale nketenkete ene ohaw ne amane ena eku wo mo na afesusu adwuma no edin ma me nko a mani atutu aka me nsam enti dia aye ne de se ono Nyankopon ameboa ono Moses a ebe din ama no ewo nyamedwuma na oye ni mu eho ɛna Nyankopɔn sane yɛ na ɔka kyerɛ ɛyɛ Moses sɛ ɛma ne nha no ɔnka n'akoma nto ne yam na ɔmfrɛ Israel abusuakuo no mu mpanyinfoɔ ɔmo anyini maako 70 na ɔfrɛ 70 na ɔmfo ɔmo mmra ɔno Awurade anim ɔde ɔmo ba ɔno Awurade anim a ɔde ne honhom na ɛwɔ ne so no bi ɛbɛma ɔmo na ɔde ma ɔmo wie a saa da no ɔbɛma ɔmo ɛnam awe na ɛnam no ɛnyɛ da koro ɛnyɛ nam yenu ɛnyɛ nam yɛnsa na emom ɔmo bɛdi nam na kɔpem sɛ ewiase awieyɛ nti abra Onyankopɔn ka saa no in fact Moses yɛ mu hye no ana Moses bɛka kyerɛ sɛ Awurade saa asɛm yi a woka ne deɛ mekura yɛ metirimu na efiri sɛ wobɛkum nantwie na wakyekyɛ de ama ɔmo ana sɛ dɛn efiri sɛ mekura me Moses no mmarima nko ɔmo di m'akyi ɛwɔ Israel mu nko ara ɛyɛ 600,000 mmarima nko 600,000 mmarima ɔmo anya mfie 18 years ɛkɔ ɔmo nko yɛ 600,000 na ɔmo ni m'akyi ɛne ɔmo a ɔmo ne ɔmo yiri titi fie ne mmarima mpanyinfoɔ ɛne mmaa ɛwɔ hɔ nti ɛdɔm bebrebe wei ɛhenfa na ɔbɛnya ɛnam ne aduane de ama ɔmo ɛhɔ na Onyankopɔn bɛka kyerɛ ɔmo ɛka kyerɛ Moses sɛ nti Mose sisi wama me ma yɛ ketewa ɛwɔ w'abrabɔ mu anaasɛ sɛ ɛhɔ na ɔka sɛ ɔbɛyɛ ɔbɛgye adie nti ɔmfo ɔmo mmra nti ampara Onyankopɔn ɛma ɔde mpanyinfoɔ 70 ɛbaeɛ nti ɔde mpanyinfoɔ 70 ni baeɛ no ɛna Nyankopɔn de ne honhom ɛtoo ɔmo so afei mpanyinfoɔ no hyɛ aseɛ sɛ ɔmo ɛyɛ dɛ ɛhyehyɛ nkɔm na wei na Moses mpanyinfoɔ no hyɛ nkɔm wieɛ no a ɔmo kɔɔyɛ no ɛna Moses ɛne Nyankopɔn nko ahyɛ inside hɔ ɛna Nyankopɔn ɛka kyerɛ Moses sɛ nneɛma ne ɛnam a ɔde bɛma wɔn mo no nneɛma ne dwuma a ɛbɛdie 1 ɛnam no a ɔde ma wɔn no akomatuo ɛremma Israel biem which means ɔmo yare pressure ɛna me pressure kɔsoro ɛna me check yɛ na nye easy makoma ɛbɔ periperi mani so kura birimi saa deɛ ne nyinaa ɛbɛfiri Israel mu 2 ɔnka hunu sɛ saa aboa na ɔno Awurade ɛde bɛma wɔn mo no sɛ aboa no ɔmunya ba obi a ɔde aboa no bi bɛkɔ ne fie biara no ɛyɛ aninguaseɛ ɔhaw ɛka ahokyerɛ ne saa amanneɛ worɔfrɔf ne yareɛ basabasa ɛne owuo basabasa ebi ɛntu Israel biem afei susu ɔmfa hunu sɛ obi a ɔde saa aboa no bi bɛkɔ ne fie biara na brabɔ ɛbɛyɛ promprom na afei susu no ɔbɛnyini akyɛ na wayɛ nhyira na n'asefoɔ ɛbɛsi wɔn yie enti Nyankopɔn ɛkyerɛ Moses abakɔsɛm a ɛwɔ nam no ho enti Moses efiri Onyankopɔn anim a ɔte si abɔnten hɔ no afei ɔte hɔ din de obɛhu ane sɛ emununkum bi esane fɔ na mununkum ni sane yɛ firi soro ɛna ɛba bɛsi yɛ afei at once obɛhu sɛ mframa hyɛaseɛ na ɛfa nti mframa faeɛ no ɛpona no hɔ na mframa no ɛfa obɛhu an sɛ mframa no adane ayɛ te sɛ pillar of cloud te sɛ deɛ mununkum ayɛ cloud na esi hɔ no mo no ɛhɔ ɛna ɛyɛ pillar na afei emu paeɛ ɛpaeɛ at once na afei quails efiri mu na ɔmo apue nti quails ni pie yɛ no ɔmo yɛ bebrebe ɔmo dɔɔso saa ɛhɔ na Awurade ka kyerɛ ɔmo sɛ saa nam wei a mede ama mo no ɛyɛ nam a ɛntena Israel man mu ɛnkɔ awoɔ ntoatoasoɔ na saa ɛmoa wei no ɔmo bɛto nkosua na sɛ ɔmo to nkosua a ɛnam sɛ ɛmoa no nkosua no vitamin B2 B3 B6 B12 ɛwɔ ɛyɛ kosua no mu nti no kosua no ɛbɛto diabetes ɛbɛto pressure sasabro womu a omumpom eye omumremremre obi wo ha wo se nani ohun ade yie nani so timi ya ne hene otimi pusa nani saa enkuro aba nani so obi wo honom a enkuro aba ne tirim obi wo so a na aposo ne kotodwani na chibramu nyina eye ne ya enti Moses obi a obe complain saa yale ni bibia omane mbo eye quails kosua ni bi na omonye dey omonnom enti because of that no atena ho we ana Nyankopɔn ka kire Moses say saa quails we no omonam no se onipa bi obawe nam ni bibia hunamani onya enuane nuro papa afiri saa emoa no nam ni mu no na ne kra so na eye den na afei ne kra ebeye promprom na saa emoa no ebi wo fie a eyi no mi firi ho eyi ani nguase firi wo fie amane bi ba saa moa no eyi firi ho no e o Bible no mu enye me na meka enti quails enam a ana emoa ye from se quails omo ye moa me pacho nyame nhira ewo omo so na omo ye moa na omo ni asase we so abra Jacob tumfo bo ade no wa mbo quails amfa nka ho na quails eye moa eda Jacob tumfo besra eye oman Israel no ena oma angels no ede omu free heaven eba asase we so what you say enti yenhwe ade e o Bible no mu ansa na matoa so esa obi beka se o software kokwa nanse story ena wo keka no enti saa bia Nyankopɔn kora bia nka saa bia me bacho adaroma yenhwe bibi e wo Exodus chapter 16 yenhwe bibi e wo Exodus chapter 16 Exodus chapter 16 verse 1 to 13 nemo making kind verse 12 to 13 na wankasa wo hwemi unya eho a na wankasa wakenkan Exodus chapter 16 me pa cho mo online so mo ntro quotation ni ngwase ho why Exodus chapter 16 verse 1 to 13 but I'm reading verse 12 to 13 o hwe atifi asem na wose onyankopon ma won aduane firi soro onyankopon ma wo mo aduane firi soro verse 12 no o say ka kire won say anwumra mu bedi nam. Okay, let me read the English version so that you people will understand it. The English version of the Exodus chapter 16 verse 12 to 13. I am reading it. Or say, I have heard the murmuring of the children of Israel. Speak unto them, saying, at even ye shall eat flesh, and in the morning ye shall be filled with bread, and ye shall know that I am the Lord your God. Verse 13, he says, and it came to pass that at even the quails came up and covered the camp, and in the morning the dew lay round about the hosts. Now, okay, kind verse, okay, kind tree now say, catcher one say, and you mubedi nam na anopa mo di aduane amen na mo hunu say meni Awurade mo Nyankopɔn na anwumre no emokom ma won ho so ba be kata ensraban no so na anopa no obosuo gu ensraban no hu chiai another one. Now yenhwe another one. Numbers chapter 11 verse 1 to 34. Numbers chapter 11. Open your Bibles to Numbers chapter 11. Numbers chapter 11 verse 1 to 34. But I am reading verse 31 to 33. So when you get your time, read Numbers chapter 11 verse 1 to 34. But I'm reading, as a matter of fact, because of time factor. So I am reading verse 31 to 33. So Numbers chapter 11 verse 31 to 33. I'm reading the English version. It says, and there went forth a wind from the Lord and brought quails from the sea. What you say? Enti emframa bi and a boy edi eye quails no ebaye. Eye emframa eye enam a enye common. Enti sese de Nyankopon bo eye akokɔ ana denchem ana aboa no. Saa enam we ye special Nyankopon ene de ma eye Israelfo eye special meat. Saa moa no Israel na omuwo ebi wo ma hu se bi wo Ghana ha omuton ni kosua akora na ni kosua ne boarding but ho opa obetimi atobi agu fie wo de benyen dabo ne saa moa ne de opa to quails if agu best omukosua is a lot yeah the yes spiritual things miwie abeka ade ketua bi afa omukosua ho akere na wa be yada. Now Numbers chapter 11 verse 31 to 33. I am reading the English version. It says, and there went forth a wind from the Lord and brought quails from the sea and let them fall by the camp as it were a day's journey on this side and as it were a day's journey on the other side run about the camp. You know, the English of King James is sometimes very weird or not pleasant for hearing. So sometimes you need to wrap yourself around the English. So let me continue. And as it were 2 cubits high upon the face of the earth. Now, verse 32, it says, and the people stood up all that day and all that night and all the next day, and they gathered the quails. He that gathered least gathered 10 homers, which means omo omunya ketu akora no barrel nkwa makoma 10 oche no man kg nkwa makoma 10 de onya ketu ebi no. So it is there. Now let me read the tree version. Numbers chapter 1 verse 31 or saying, na emframa free ewurade enchain boy na ekopra imoko free epo no ho begu ensraban no so. Ebeye dakro kwan wo ofa ahane dakro kwan ofa aha. Okay, ensraban no won soro ko ne asase ani beye basafa baako. Okay, so when you get time you read it yourself. I've already given you the quotation. Now, sa enuma we omuti se numa omuni se no motie. Let me show you. Omuni say no mote. Sa amwa we say no to quails. Ibini say we sa amwa we. Omu ya very spiritual, very straight spiritual. Omuni very spiritual. What you say? Omo very spiritual. In this emwa we na you can say Onyankopon edema Israel for. Na sa emwa we omo tukosua. Na unim yare bia wo asase we su bia eye skin problem bia sa moa we omo kosua na abrofo no omo extract ya omo jikosua na ne yoke ne white ne wo mu enu no omo de ye esikafo akese na ema omo ho ofe na omo ye no omo ho ofe na omo ye no ema na omo ho ofe na omo wo protein panie ene saa niam ni nyina no saa emoa we kosua ene omo de ye samina bia eye rich in nutrients bia ne bo din wo ewiase bia no saa moa we kosua batabrofo ne nka nkyero aduro bia eye enuane nuro te se moa mudidim enum nuane nuro kama na waye nome na obodi aye nice saa enuane nuro ni nyina eye saa moa we from quails omu kosua na abrofo ne de ye nti eye ade a in fact enye common sa na abrofo no omo de ye nioma ejisika pa omo a mo skin no tissues na wuwu enioma basa yes saa enioma bi a ema onipa asetenam ye kama bia no omo de saa emoa we ya from quails omo kosua na omo de ye saa nioma na abrofo no oya omo nka mfa nkyerɛw na emom no aye onyankopɔn na de saa emoa ne bae ode omo ba asase no so na saa quails we no metimi de ne kosua 3 ana kosua 6 ana kosua 9 ana kosua 12 de aye ade ama me de ya ade de mawa obi antimi nkunda metimi de ne kosua na ya ade ama na me ye de mawa wasibetim awa abrabom obi wo ha sikato ne nsam ana ahye sikato ne nsam ana ahye saa moa we omo ye bebrebe enti metima ma ye de kosua no 12 me de be ya ade ama me de ye de mawa na odi kosua no ko mu a saa ade na amaye no sika bi e wo wi ase bia no ebi be fa wo nsam obi wo ha oni ahobambo ni so ewom se yesu nyankopon de ewom se Jesus wo ho ma nipa nyina nanso yesu mpo no eduru mere bi no ohunu se e wo so ya akwankyere se yesu akwankyere hu ni mfaso a nka na anadwobre na oni onenam epo no so efi se yesu epo mu nya ho no wote bara anadwo na yesu ti enenam epo no so e kire se akwankyere hu wo mfaso eni nti saa enioma we ye wo hu nioma bebre yo unya time a obetimi aye research ye wa de a metimi de saa quills no mema omakuni nam omuku aboa na me wa de a meye de ama ahomache 3 na obewi nam ni nyina but ummo kasem atiase na oye ni nyina awie a na ya hwe se obi wa asase we so a ose wo no wa bin ti obetimi abre wase na wa bre wase na ya hwe se obi si wa ye konfo wono wa di aduro akoma na watawo akoma pa watawo wako sister wataho wo fa wataho na wa bre wase na wa hade atiase di ye wo secret route to life and this are emoa we no enye aboa a obetimi de na ye rough Jacob tumfo na de ma omo nti moa we omo ye moa omo wo fi a omusu tienie omusu no kura keke no efre enhyira de ba ofie omusu no epam ahohomone se obi sumatumi boni bi se omo mra ofie meku a saa moa ni bi e wo honum ana around ana se wo garden bi asa mo ani bi gumu a enye yize se obi betimi akun eno na ma jiwfo no on se mo amatu kwan da no on se jiwfo omo ye very spiritual what you say jiwfo ye very spiritual mo amahia jiwfo bia no be hu say yes jiwfo ye very spiritual eti quails there sister ye top notch eno ni kosua keke wo yale akomayare pressure e wo so a eye secret esikafo no tono mu esikafo no tono o mpese obenya kidney failure o pese toxins na wadidi akomu na akotai mu no magi any spices na o sori a wadidi agu mu na hawo no sa spices ni magi no amawafu aye kakraka mo amadidi starch mano nom gilda ni bie ni nsa amawafu aye ye yakese obi wo ha wanom nsa ama ni sisimu nyina ye mmere ni ntini na ewo ni sisimu na ye mmere nti me mfaya anansa ne bema no aye ketekete se unya quails nkosua ni bi na onom a eboa pa onom a eboa frequently ye wo enuro bebre o ha ɛyɛ esikafoɔ nura untimi ntɔ ɛyɛ quails na bi na ɔmo de yɛ ne nkosua anaasɛ ne nam yɛ quails ɛnam a ɔmo ku mmoa na ɔmo yam ɛmmoa no ɛne ɔmo nkasa nyina na ayɛ muhumuhu na ɔmo de ayɛ food supplement ayɛ te sɛ tablet ama enipa ate aseɛ ayɛ sɛ nipa ɛka sɛ ɔmo de ayɛ tablet ɛde ama nipa na ɔmo adi ɛde agu ɔmo mu ate aseɛ bi wɔ hɔ a yaleɛ basa quails deɛ wonya bi wɔ fie a mepakyɛw ɛboa wo paa ɛboa wo nti wo a bɛtumi ayɛ research sɛ meboa a wobɛhu yɛwɔ ɛnam baako bi wɔ hɔ sɛ wonya saa aboa no bi a automatically woni nyame wɔ apam saa aboa no bi wonya bi wɔ fie a automatically woni nyame wɔ apam na ɔno so saa aboa no n'adeɛ pa a ɔyɛ ne sɛ ɔno so yɛde ne gyina nipa wayɛ te sɛ quails na tie nie ɛnkyerɛ sɛ ɔyɛ ntakraboa but pepa kyerɛ sɛ role na quails play ɛwɔ nipa abrabom spiritually and physically no saa aboa no so ɛyɛ the same thing ti mu a mowɔ Israel no mobɛtumi akyɛke wobɛhu sɛ shakes no saa nam wei ɔmo taa tɔtɔnre paa quails no ɔmo taa ne kosua no koraa ne hia wɔ ɔmo ne kosua no ɔmo taa nom kosua no paa quails kosua ɔmo taa nom papa ɔmo de yɛ nneɛma mentoa so na mensa ama mo secret bi mu ana okay ɛneɛ mo de mo mfa wei saa da ma ko ma beto me yam no na mama mo aduane ne aboa foforo why okay Samuel Akowia or say Papa, God bless you for teaching us. It's very true. I know someone in Saudi Arabia. She told me that where they are staying, they have these birds. Oh, yes. Teresa, I believe you. I said, Papa, my husband brought these birds to the house before. And what did you do with it? Have you thrown them out? Teresa, please talk to me. Where are the quails? What have you done to them? Obi wɔ hɔ a abrabɔ no onimu hwi o ɛno aso odwale a na ɔkɔ asɔre wate aseɛ obi wɔ hɔ a abrabɔ no okay nti life on say abrabɔ no deɛ yɛ the secret ɛna bɔbra no me ka no kore pa akyerɛw ɛma na cancer ɛne fibroid ne cancer ɛyeyɛ wɔ mo rough abrɔfo no they know the secret o ɔmo nim secret ba ɔmo nka nkyerɛw abrɔfo no ɔmo nka nkyerɛw da ɔmo nim secret nti yàrá yà àdùmá ebe hyia wate aseɛ ɛyɛ abrabɔ sɛdeɛ obesi abɔ ne bi a ɛwɔ awo dea yes you can bring your question Yes, bring your question. Bring your question. Yes, bring your question if you have any question. And say Gwajo. Senior, what about the food? Say food need the media. Me pa me nka. Ni nyina agu mi nsam. What I say? Me pa me kyerɛ wade adi. Yare en hauda. Me pa me kyerɛ odi. My father is 74 years. Let me tell you something. My father is 74 years. Imagine. He's not just an ordinary man, but he's very strong. Do you know why? I have given him spiritual directions and narratives, and he follows them. So sometimes, you see, one day, I'll teach you, okay? I'll teach you. I'll give you a secret in life. Yare ne kum, yare kum. Oh, Teresa Cleavy, you said I kept it in the house and later, about 6 months, it has died. What happened? You didn't treat it well. Maybe you didn't have any knowledge about it. You didn't know about it. That is why. One day, I'll teach you. I'll give you a secret. You people, you'll be shocked. Most of you people will be on. Oh yes, Doreen, of course. Sir, the man is loaded with secret. The man is loaded with secret. He's not just an ordinary man. Just look at these people out there who looks like who are in their 70s, and look at how they have become. By just 6 years, then he clocks that thing, that the 80s, and he's very strong, very, very strong, very, very, very strong. Very, 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 very. Hey, people have a lot of questions. They say, Papa, can you get some in Ghana? Oh yes. Now say, man, who say be Ghana? Be Ghana. Man, who say who chemu or ahonju area hwa? Ahonju Kumasi ahonju area hwa. Man, who say nkrofo bi di bi wo nkrofo bi edi quails ni kosua ni bi ejina hwa omoton. On say we yentimi mfa nyina pankro no because pankrono for no omo nto quails. They don't know the benefit of quails. Sikafo na omo no mu secretly no matimi anyini ache. Yemfa ma ahiani. Why? But ne bo so nyede. Ne bo nyede. Entinka enkran ya enka ba bi ti say East Legon Trasaco airport Rage cantonment any Laboni, yeah. Now they mean consider spinters for any Ajengano Kakranka. Okay, my mini spinters for free man. Ajengano, them fat. I'm a you free. Yeah, I'm a you free. Okay, so that is the whole issue. Patrick, Mr. Kodwapia, Nyezu. We young family, Nenny better to kush yakit yadi. Here need there so when your banku can see me and son. No who say yes. Or die be die. Sanity. Osu. Osu dear set is Ashtown. Osu ya Ghana, Kumasi and Katisash. Osu dear to say Ashtown. Sanity. Yawo abu abi wo hon. Ma me nkyere wade. Yawo abu abi wo ho. Sa abu ano. Se unim abu e frɛ na danko. Me ba wo che unim abu a ye frɛ na danko. Se unim adanko. or say Samuel Akowios, Papa, please, what's the local name? The local name is Moko. Imoko, the tree name is Imoko. The quails, the tree name is Imoko. The bacho unimadanko, se unimadanko, rabbit. Unim say rabbit. Bible muno adanko ye special aboa bi. Ana unim say adanko ye special aboa bi. Na adanko ye aboa bi a me nkasa mfa ho. Adanko unim adanko me kasa me ka adanko asemu a ukura be short adanko me kasa me odifo opatafuo me kyerɛkyerɛw secret ede nioma ye de adanko ya ukura be short ye woni nioma ni bi wo kura onyankopon mu a woyɛ na adanko enka ho a enye ye woni nioma bi ewo nyankopon ahini mu a woyɛ na adanko nka ho a enye I to say quails. I say quails. Na adanko no de no adanko or magical powers. Aboa a friend adanko or magical powers. Sa adanko no omo ane sa afre unsa adanko no ye wo ebi mu o ma te say ntwamoa o. So, I say adanko no ye wo bi mu o ma te say ntwamoa se mohu a ohun ntwamoa ye free bibi ntwamoa adanko no ebi ma te say ntwamoa o. Na sa adanko no omo magical powers. Na se unhia bi kura wo daye mu a a plus to you. What you say? Kwadwa pio say what is the difference? Me pa tell you about there. There about the difference na o kana me kyerɛkyerɛ mu. They are champion. Okay, Sandy's Arena, or say yes, Papa. The rabbit has some special qualities, and sometimes they use them in the labs. Okay, I see. Okay. The only difference we are just that I would say there will be a difference in terms of these hemispheric conditions like Africa and then Aburuchiri any other but omunyina no omo na ye ntwamoa no omo na ye fro omo ndanko no wajas ye am say could talk or adanko omo na bi ye ntwamoa no enti ntwamoa no ho adanko ho but omunyina omo a varieties sa na e be ka kire sa na e be ka no Elisha John Fusu was Papa, why you don't want to teach us about it? What truth are you talking about? What truth don't I want to teach you? What truth are you talking about? Which of the truth are you talking about? Yes. I say I like their meat pa. Yes. Omono utari omona mo cholesterol ne sa niam ne we anyhow. But omo ye spiritual nti untimi nku omo sa. Uku omo na se wanye omo amamre a ube sresre di. Ube ye adwuma wo wi ase sa nso unye yi. Sa na adanko no wote. Adanko no sa na wote, uku adanko a wanye na amamre a ube ye adwuma bregu sa wo wi ase ube sresre di because omukuta magical powers omu supernatural powers into adanko ye dangerous but we a special animal. Kwadwapi, I say, what about you buy from the farms? You bought it as it was alive, or those people at the farms had already killed it? Which of them? So they Gaba. I say, what about fish? Gallbladder, liver, heart. I read Tobias' story. Tobias' story is there. Tobias, okay, Kwadwapi was only killed. What I say? Tobias' story. Okay. Okay. Abra abuwa ni good and isuno. Waken kansa story. I see. So Adanko possesses some special qualities. Na the Adanko ye nioma, but men kan nyina nkyerɛw ana ntwamwa. The omo ye nioma secretly. You see, it is easy to prosper. Yeah, it is easy to prosper. Just that you people, you have neglected the ways of God, and you are following these people and their calendar God. That is why you are suffering. Mumubi, easy so be ye, and yoma baby or how we are obey, but mono maja. You come to for na mudi calendar chi, and a mudi mind bia or yakwa or tally cross, so I too sure. Tina mama breno. Lizie do say unim say Adanko unim abo friend Adanko entwamo an rabbit unim say ade friend is stroke unim say stroke ye ka say stroke dey kaso men kasa bebre Papa, please, I have dreamed that I was looking for a letter from a commissioner, and I was asking a lady who was mean to that commissioner to get the letter, and the commissioner gave me the letter. I am at time. I'm going to be wanting my bread. Canada for me. I don't know anything about Dio. Jewado. Dear, I don't know anything about dear. Why? Adanko. Who name stroke? Stroke. You can say stroke. Oh, my boyfriend Adanko. And we yesu dimu nyense nyina na meka. I have to keep secret. Menka ni nyina nkyerɛ mo. Okay. Stroke. On stroke. Obi wa bo say stroke on Adanko. First na ye go school no bo say teachers for Adanko ma so Adanko ma. My goodness. Adanko ya aboa bi a, in fact mi hu aboa ono so what some special qualities. It is Adanko da. You very, very nice. Na o tumi sa aboa na e friend Adanko no o tumi. Enti enye obiara na nyame Adanko bacho mi ko hunu gari adi why ebehia yami aduma mun call Rhyme TV na mun konko subscribe na mun share videos na wono ushia bruni bi na bruni ni ntitwia na de brofo de na ma no ushia African country ni bi na on titwi a na de borofo de na ma no na aye kama what you say jiwa do say rabbit soup. Yes, rabbit soup is very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Adanko. I would say adanko mutimi wu bebre. Adanko. Omutimi wu bebre. I would say adanko omutimi wu bebre. Aha. Na adanko no me opatafuo. Me opatafuo. Metimi di adanko aya ade ama. Obi a oye, yes, me crowd for instance. Oye young guy. Oye young guy. In Chamwa, huh? In Chamwa na say adanko. Oye young guy. Metimi di adanko no aya ade ama. Me the mawa obey powerful. Edi Jacob tumfuo tumi na eye. Obey young guy, obey extremely rich and powerful. Obey extremely rich. Adanko ana in trouble ano. Obey young guy, extremely rich and powerful. Na on said ye adanko answer otimi wo emma bebre otimi wo emma bebre, right? Inti tete wono kura no obi a wawo enkwala bebre ni etimi ka se wawo te se etimi ka se wawo bebre se ntwamo a me bo a what is asem bi da. What I say? What is obi kan se mi se wawo bebre se ntwamo a what I say? Na bia mo ye anuafo be 10 ana mo ye anuafo be 5 anuafo be 6 anuafo be 3 anuafo be 10 ana mododo na opese wo ni pakro no abusuanim owo eba na obewo no ne sasu eni abusuanim in terms of intelligence, in terms of success, wealth, fame. Sa enkwala na omo bawi ase a omo ye special omo no Jacob tumfuo na create wo on say ye wo mo a abofo no eye artifact ni wi a na Jacob tumfuo de ohome no ene enkwana be hwenim but ye won kwala bi akwala bi ti se Samson akwala bi ti se Yahushua but ya se metimi abobo bibiri a kiro san kwala no me special metimi aye na me ye adena obawu baby ana se wu nipa no obaba be ye extraordinary person e wa abusuanim obi antimi nyina wanim obi antimi nto da obi si obeye yie wa abusuanim a anya wo ne yie die no ontimi mfa compare wo adentia Jacob tumfuo de tumi bi ma saaboa no enti nyensem nyina na metimi aka kiro let it be, right? Very very strong energy dear the yemani pa oh yeah young guys no way who is catcher on pese eni kwa se o pese o yes ha de ne mani pa na endi 30 years eni pa ni 30 years me pa kire enkwala ne wa pese o ye young guy na o hit intentem. Huh? Opa say we young guy na o hit intentem. We are very strong. We are powerful. Yɛwɔ deɛ ɛno adanko ne spiritual role a ɔplay no nti sɛ wobɛhu sɛ Nyankopɔn pɛ sɛ ɔma wo ɛyɛ tumi a ɔpɛ sɛ ɔma wo tumi a ɔhu sɛ Nyankopɔn tumi no ɛyɛ different yɛwɔ deɛ de sa yareɛ ɛna deɛ de yɛ anwanwadeɛ nsɛnkyerɛnne miracles ne saa nneɛma no nti wobɛhu sɛ tumi ni ɔmo de ba a wobɛhu sɛ wobɛso daeɛ no na wakye brown wate ase wobɛso daeɛ no wobɛkye brown rabbit ɛwɔ sɛ woso daeɛ a wokye brown rabbit. Now, sɛ wokye saa brown rabbit na wobɛhu sɛ yes na yɛyɛ ho nneɛma ma wo woyɛ ɛho fasting na yɛkyerɛ wo ho process. Wohu sɛ the gift of God no, the way you people were taught in Sunday school, that's not exactly how it is. There are processes and things that you need to go through. Yes, Josephine Boating, he says, Papa, please, you mean under 30 years of age? Yes, if you want to be young and powerful and become richer. Now, I'm talking in respect to people who wants their children to become successful before 30 years. There are certain things we do for them. We will use that rabbit to do it for you. And those who want to become successful in their old age, like 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40 years, 50 years. And also, obi oha, omu fie onipa bi anye yeda, obi wa ni fie onipa bi anye yeda. Ono ankasa kura ne ho kyere no dodo. On say obi oha uhia na ne ho bon ohia. Se me ka ohia wate ase. Yetimi di quails ne ye. But upe yedie pa extremely yedie pa extremely. Omo de omo no ye di rabbit ene ye saa de ne ma omo. Upe extremely yedie. Now to control chicken change. Said ye control chicken change ye dia. Me pacho Hagar will say, I'll bring my kids. Daddy, you can't do it for all the kids. You do it for one. You can't do it for if you want to do it, you do it for one. Ye yema ni pabako. So mo yen kwala dia ye yema mienu miensa. Ye yema ni pabako. Enye sa dia, agi se o twem mo munya 30 years. Now I hear the amount to same paying for them there. They should go and prosper. But so idea ye yema bako. Entirety. Enti ye was saa man wo ho na mo no mo se mo de mo mpe because mo no manya Holy Ghost na mo de ne nam abrabom na mo bi manya Holy Ghost na mo se manya de tutuo baako na mo se anya de kura mo wo mo nsem bi a mo keka what you say. Enti your principles ewo ho mu musa enema bi wo ha mu ni enema bi wo ha mu ni o say papa what if they are twins? Twins they o say twins have one soul, they have one soul flame and you know and there no problem until they are danko na ye. Okay, owe adanko eye. Owe adanko a eye. ore adanko a eye enti eye media almost say they Elisha Jamfo says, Papa, when I come to Ghana, I'll bring my son. Me pacho, unless 2029, me unless 2029. He say me renipa. I say me will fear me holidays. Me call vacations. I'm going on vacations for 4 years. And you will be alright. You see, sometimes you people you think say everything is about prayers, right? You pray and pray and pray and pray and pray and pray every day. Rabababa, 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 ocean condo queen, la litribity. That's not the fact. Prosperity goes with directions. Prosperity, it goes with directions. So once you miss things, you can't do it with prayers. How does it? You can't do it with prayers. Things that needs spiritual directions. You can't do it with prayers. Get that once and for all. Yen can't find you. Yen can't find you. Papa, kwadwa pia. So say me a paini, inti paini di odaya or check. I'm on vacations for 4 good years. After 4 good years, I'll resume work. Why? What I say? Enti salatie, enti aboa ye friend adanko. The surest and smartest way to prosper, surest, smartest way, fast, prosper. I know you're the Yamawa. Goodness, mercy, prosperity, it will follow you every day. Sometimes there are some things I can use it to do for you. Only will be what you say? You will near maybe wa me metimi aya. Oh, say what steady OPATAFUOR more shemino. What steady OPATAFUOR more shemino. Attest to this fact. Also OPATAFUOR, I am too relaxed in life, and it's as if I don't care. Unim the India, me was secret to life. Me was shortcut to everything. If it is prosperity, I have shortcut to it. If it is, seeking the face of God, I have shortcut to it. Everything, I am so relaxed and that type, reserved type. I don't care. You can say whatever you want to see, right? But you do spiritually. No, you do spiritually. Pray because me yen yoma me obi oweni bi abeka say OPATAFUOR do is dangerous. Me yen yoma nkasa me pewa asem so a obi me upa akoton koke upa akoye dey na me OPATAFUOR me pewa asem ye chiwa ombeja obi antimi fa ontum da me ye that type wa nyame ama me enti obi say me I am forgetting on now. Say obi see what the makwa aduru so OPATAFUOR dey me kobrenas obo ame yem bremas sa ne man kura ebi untimi kura anye untimi nye what you say enti na me ye me nioma underground die nyankopon ayama yen any inshira any yedi a ye command wa abrabo mu no say ye kase yedi bi kire wa okura uyem be hyew ebeduru mire be ka kire say sikaduro na yaji ba ye nioma bi wa ye ntimi nkanchiro nioma bi wa ye ntimi nkanchiro enti na me pa me ya sorry me pa me nya sorry me pekra if God permit, God should give me. I am pleading with the Lord that He should give me that mandate so that I will not do church service again. I will always come online, preach to His people, and then it ends there. I'm pleading with God, and I know one day if He grants me that opportunity, I won't do church again. Me nya sorry bi. Me njina ba bia preach bi. Me betena ha na makasa wa obetie de watie. Power. Enye bibia na harababa dabi. What you say? God bless you all. Constance. Constance. You will be oha. Oh. You will be oha udi nechi a. Obe bresa e wasofo ni bi obedi omachi. Obe bresa wanim kura begu ase. Wanim nyina begu ase. Emoa bi amfiri ne homa. Ene wo obi a enhyiranti. Nyame nsa wo ne sunti. Obe na ho na ekire wo no. Na oho han wo. Oho han wo na ne o ma ekoyie. Silent. Eti ye omoa ho. Emoa ne o makomako 4. Emoa makomako 4. Omu nyina ya wi wo mo nam. Ye de wo so ya akwankyere. Sa ne wo aduane. Aduane makomako 3. 4. Sorry. But me ana me yese meka 3 a kire. On say adanko de ne man kyerechiri. Adanko de ne ma hyeda na mabobɔ so kitwe bi ba man kyerem. Ba ye wo wo pese obi yeye extremely. Oyeye unim ma me kyerɛ wade. Unim de nti a aborɔfo no Easter omde aye adanko ni kosua. Me pa cha unim de nti a aborɔfo no Easter omde aye adanko ni kosua. Se unim ade kodie. Ha? So unim ade kodie. One day, one day I'll take my time and teach you certain things. It's like you are serving God, but you are naive about certain things. So one day I'll take my time and teach you certain things. The deepest realm. I'll shook your shoulders and take you to the deepest realm for you to understand certain things. Yeah. Unim say adanko. Twaso na eja. Oba ne den. Nioma oho sister. Nioma oho na ya na mehwɛ mu ya na ya me ya. Ya me ya say mudidi asofo bi achi. Ena nkrofo bi hye achiri. Na omo sabotage OPATAFUOR. Me we am hwie nye yo. Me said the way I'm sitting here, if you see me the way I made me sit here, if you see me, you'll be shocked. I don't focus on certain things. It's like that. Okay, we have to let it be as how it is. Ewo efie bi wo ha uremu a untimi hu ni patitru bia se chese ase efie no atete apansam de wase wa ye pa wo fie ho no na be $50,000 de wase wo fie like wa ye pa wo fie ho no na be $50,000 bi wadma de wa ye kura wo fie be $20,000 bi na dan account enti efie ho ankasa asem si a ade se omo hyeda kwaje bosia obi wo ha ni fie ayie ba ade se omo kwaje bosia omo je bosia omo de ye ayie ni wia no matete no omo de akwakotuaka sa busia we eye no me nhyira bia ni fie ho ani guase abusia asesabo pasa nkola wo fie ho nyina ni animunyam enu na me timi ma okope adanko eje kotumfu aboa no ade a me de be ya ma enti obi wo ha me pe wasem pa ne bia eba mitirim se wo megina wo ama wa successful mitimi ka tro se koto adanko na me kire wade ba o misbehave a na me forget to some life too me a senior, me Yankupon heard that share me or chile me secret. No matter a bois who fear for do a shame. Say me to me who see was say me di ama obia who say nyame ehirawa me so me yes ade no what I say Rexford Boache was life is hard. Rexford, life is not hard. Though. Life is not hard. Life is hard because you have not met certain gurus in life. You need a guru. Bishop Belinda Brown says, we love you, Papa. Thank you very much, of Mommy. God bless you. I really appreciate it. Oh, yes. Samuel Akowia said, Papa, please, we want to be successful in life. Yes. $50,000, just a chicken change. And just a chicken change. Yeah. You see, you people, I am the way I make a mumu be monfa. You be following a calendar Jesus. You become poor. I'm telling you, you become poor. You become poor. When you follow calendar Jesus, you become poor. There's no power in it. The white people intentionally brought that calendar just to deceive you people so that you deviate from the Nyankopon to me. What I say? Flavorful Cornet's Kitchen, Constance. It says that the $1,000 is a problem. $1,000 is a problem. You are saying calendar Jesus. Calendar Jesus. Dear chile, yeah, Papa no more Pentecost, Assemblies of God, CAC, SDA, Calendar Jesus, Baptist Church of God. And no more dear children to a more Yankupon to me and Casanomanti near Hubi. Oh, Hiana, no more dear one, no more. Oh, and I yes, so yaba, and yes, you dear chile, ye ma, ye menina, ye here for, ye ma, 77, or my ayare for. I have told you that religion is a practical life. Religion. Christianity should be a practical life. Once you are a Christian, you should be deeply rooted spiritually. But the opposite is in here. Me, a friend of OPATAFUOR. They make catch. God bless you.